Hey, NerveSpa family, Scott here. I have the pleasure today of chatting with Dr. Mike Bystrom, Bystrom Family Chiropractic in Northern Cal on the other side of the world. Um, but Mike, it's a pleasure. Thanks for joining. And you know, Mike said he would love to chat with me today about his experience working with our stuff. Who knows what I'm in store for, but you know what? Roll the dice sometimes. But Mike, it's been a pleasure. And just for the sake of expediency, I got a couple of quick questions for you that should give the audience at home an idea of what you think about working with us. Good, bad, and indifferent. But um, what got you to the door? Like what prompted you to start working with us and give us here at NerveSpa a try?
So I've been working with neuropathy for a while, and you're always trying to learn new approaches and new products. I was referred to you by a friend of mine that does neuropathy. So we started ordering equipment from you and working with you. I don't know, it's been a couple of years now.
Who's that, by the way? That's
I believe it was Ruben, Dr.
oh,
Ruben Gar.
okay, gotcha. Really nice guy.
Yeah, so he gave us your contact.
Mhm.
And then we started working with you, and yeah, you've been great in the customer service department, and you got a good product. It's got a good product. It's easy to use. It's easy for our patients. It's very simple, and it's effective. So
Well, thank you for that. You're making this easy for me. I was kind of going to be my follow-up question, but I mean, and you've been doing this for a hot minute. Are you um were you using like some of the other products out there where you kind of have like a good, you know, comparatively speaking, like what's what, and you've used product X, you're using Nerve Spa, so you kind of, you kind of know what you like, what you don't like, and so on.
yeah, and so some of the other products that I've worked with, we've had good experiences, but for the price point and the simplicity factor, I like what you have. I like what you supply us with, and it for that reason, we're able to put together a robust package for our patients that go through our neuropathy program. So your stuff works great, and I like the price.
That's awesome. And just to be clear, because we all want to sell stuff, me product, you programs, but at the end of the day, we want to make sure that the products are doing what they're supposed to be. So, can you confidently slash comfortably say that your patients are getting better from using the Nerve Spa stuff?
Yes. In not every case you're going to have 100% resolution of the symptoms and the condition. But I find that the patients that don't have the improvement that I want them to have,
Mhm.
when it's deep enough, they're simply not doing treatments at home. So
Well, it's
can't.
funny because we had another doc, and Tim is in Arkansas, become friendly as well. And he says to me, there would be one improvement, Scott, I'd like to see with your stuff. And I'm thinking, oh my God, here comes the hammer. He goes, yeah, some of my patients don't really, they're not compliant. They don't use the stuff or use it as much as they should. So I'd like to see it where your products would work if somebody doesn't even turn it on. And I'm like, oh my God, man, wait, way to bait and switch me, like I was thinking he's going to hit me hard, but obviously he was joking, but I mean, no, that's fantastic. And again, and just anybody listening, you're using pretty much everything we have the Nerve Spa, the LED wrap, co-laser, Quake Plate, all of our nutrition. Um, and does that sound about right?
That's correct. I'm using just about every product you have. And once again, I just want to give our patients the best possible chance of getting the most improvement. So we throw everything at it, and it's a great package. I don't know that it's any one item or one therapy, but you add all of it together, and you're going to give them the best chance at recovering.
Well, that's first of all, thank you for that. And secondly, when we developed this product line many moons ago, that was the mindset where all these products would work in tandem, work in conjunction, like you said, to offer one robust treatment to, if somebody could only financially swing one or two modalities, now here we come with stuff that still works, but is, priced very fairly. So now
Yeah.
maybe the patient can afford, and maybe even the clinic for that matter too, but can afford three or four modalities
Right.
and have that much of a better chance at seeing some improvement. And so I think you've kind of touched on this a few different ways, but just to be clear, for the sake of wrapping this up, is we know what got you in the door, but just for everybody listening at home, what keeps you working with us?
Hey, you've been great. I give you a call, I shoot you a text, and you give me what I need ASAP. So customer service for me is huge. I like to be able to call a phone number and speak with a human being, and call me old fashioned, but I don't have to go through any prompts. I just get a hold of you, and that has a tremendous amount of value for me because I just don't get that in a lot of areas anymore. So yeah, I appreciate all of your availability.
It's my pleasure. It's a partnership, and you know, as I tell some of the other clinics, if you guys are calling me, it's for a reason, and you guys don't punch a clock. You're not nine to fivers, so I shouldn't be either. And so I appreciate the partnership and the relationship, and we've got a lot of new cool stuff that we're working on. So we're looking to help the clinic grow their business. We're looking to help the patients, get better and live an awesome life. Win win win. But so Mike, unless you got something to add, I mean that kind of about says it all. I'll let you get back to treating patients and promoting Nerve Spa.
Right on. Thank you, sir. No, I just appreciate all your help and happy to be here. You have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Mike. We'll
All
talk to
right.
you soon. Be
All
well.
right.